to give you guys a beautiful message from the universe and the angels regarding your finance and money this Diwali. Tomorrow actually is the Diwali day and today is 13th November evening when I'm doing this reading. But this is an evergreen reading. This is a timeless reading. Whenever you will look at this reading, whatever message has to come to you will be working for you. The message would be, when you any question regarding your money or finance that you have, you can ask the universe and these cards are going to give you that answer. So these answers are going to come to you from two decks. One is the notes from the universe on abundance deck, which is going to have one card from this, and the next card we have is from the angels answer deck. So any query in mind you can ask for that, and then maybe at this point you can even just pause your video and zoom into the three cards. You can zoom into these three cards and come close and see either the yellow flowers or the river that's flowing, that you can see the greens and the river, or the mountains. What is taking your attention more? Whichever card is taking your attention more, and have that query in mind, pause for a few minutes, concentrate on the cards and your query, and then choose what connects to you. Is it the group A, which is the yellow flowers, group B, which is the greens and the river, or group C, which is the mountains? So see what resonates with you, see what calls out to you, and then make that choice. And then you can go to the timestamps and start to look at your readings and see what the universe is guiding you. Now that you all have made your choices, I have opened up the cards and I'm going to give you your readings. So this is the group A. This is the group A who had chosen the yellow flowers. Now for them, the universe deck is telling them, plan the celebration now, sweep the floor, clean the slate, pick a date, window shop, buy a few things, go out on a limb, rearrange the furniture, pick some flowers, take some time off. No, not necessarily because a tipping point has been reached, but because this is how you reach it. So basically the universal card is telling you that start believing in the fact that what you're asking for is already there. You have to start behaving in such a fashion, you have to start living in such a fashion that your ask or whatever you're looking for has already arrived. It's already there for you. Daily before you sleep, before you get out of the bed, visualize that scenario where you have actually created what you are looking for, and that's how it will come to you more faster and more with ease. For that, the advice that the angels are giving you is concentrating more on improving your financial health and your physical health. What I'm looking at this card, what message comes to me very strongly is, when I see the energy of this card, the message I see coming for the group A is that all of you in this group somewhere have had some issue with your probably financial health and your physical health, or either of them. So you have to work on improving that. You have to do whatever it takes to give more attention towards your diet patterns, your habits, your timings of sleeping, probably your procrastination issues, like lethargy or laziness. Even the message that angels are giving very strongly to me, that in this group there's a lot of tendency to neglect things, procrastinate things. So please work on improving that. That is something which will definitely create more money for you. The universal deck has clearly told you that just by being in that space of having that financial situation or that money, what you're asking for, show up, you have to already start believing in that. So to be in that space, you have to be in that emotional health and that financial health. So whatever things are causing the unease or the disease, please work on that. Please make sure you get that out of your system, and then you will definitely improve your finances, and that will definitely create much more money and more ease for you. And whatever question you've asked regarding your finances, see how this connects to that. Whatever connects to you, take that. Whatever does not connect to you, leave it, because it's a very general reading for a whole lot of group. And if anything resonates or anything connects, you might definitely comment on the section. You might definitely leave a feedback in the comment section. And let's see what else is possible. Now coming to group B. Group B, the universe card is saying when someone is so desperate to have what they want to have, do what they want to do, or be who they want to be, they'd rather take little tiny teensy steps in the direction of their dreams than face one more single day of doing without. I just can't help but open the floodgates. It's my greatest weakness. So basically the universe falls in love with the stubborn heart is what it's telling you. If you are so focused on what you would like to achieve in life, if you're so focused on what you would like to create in your life, that's when universe will open the gates for you. So the total commitment and focus is what they are asking for. And yes, the B card is the one whoever chose the river and the greens. So this is the B group. Now what are the angels telling you regarding the questions that you had in mind about your finances and money? That get more information. Whatever question you were asking regarding whatever you would like to know more, get more information on that. Ask someone who's a professional, maybe in your family or your friends, or maybe hire somebody by giving them the fees, or read more books on it. Go to the internet, go on Google search, get more information about whatever you are looking at. It could be like any new business venture, it could be any new job that you're going to start, or whatever that has it connects to you. When you're hearing the reading, whatever is coming to you, it's the message the angels are giving to you regarding that. So before you take that step or before you make that decision, get more information, and that is where your answer lies. That's what the angel answer is coming for you, group B. So yes, the universe falls in love with the stubborn heart. Be committed and get more information. That's group B. So now we come to the group C. The group C was the ones who chose the mountain. The ones who chose the mountain, the message the universe deck is giving to them is, every single day I'm pressing out and reeling in the abundance you're making room for in your life as I observe everything you think, say and do. I'm not so fond of the reeling in part. So basically what the universe is telling you here is that everything that you're saying and doing is what it's creating for you. So please watch your words, watch what you say, watch what your actions are, and especially what comes out of your mouth and your ask. So if you would like to create more money, more abundance, have that space of more creation, not of lack. Don't keep saying that, oh God, I have to pay my bills again. Oh God, the 31st has come again. Now it's time to pay the money. Don't go into that zone. You have to not feel the pressure of money. Feel that gratitude of money and tell the universe that, oh, I'm so lucky that I can pay off all the bills. Feel happy when you're making the payments. Feel happy when you're giving your employees the salaries or your staff the salaries, that I'm capable enough to do that. So where that gratitude will come, that's when the universe will be having much more of your back. That's what the universe card wants to tell you. And even when I see the angel message that's coming to you somewhere, I can see that the angels are also asking you to ask help from your angels. Ask your angels. Whatever that question that is bothering you, whatever that money issue that is bothering you, you definitely have to surrender it to the divine and to the angels to get more answers. What I'm sensing of group C is these people are somewhere more in lack. They have a lot more tendency of being in lack and lot more tendency of probably being into a complaint zone. So the whole energy of this group that I'm getting is that just build more gratitude and build more asking for help. Go to the angels, go to the universe and demand what you would like. Don't complain. Don't get like, oh, mere saath ye bhi nahi hota, this also does not happen with me, wo bhi nahi hota. Don't get into that zone. Just ask what you would like, get into that energy and create more for yourself. So this is what the cards today on this Diwali, Choti Diwali day, a day before Diwali, this is what the message the universe has given to you all. Group A, Group B, Group C. Listen to this 2-3 times, see what you connect with, see what comes to you. Be very honest when you're picking the card, go with the choice. And yes, you can connect to 2 cards also. That's definitely possible. You can hear the guidance that's coming for both the groups then. That is also definitely possible, but when you're choosing the card, go with the connect. Be very honest with what question comes into your mind, and then whatever resonates to you, you can take that. Like I said, it's a timeless reading. It's a whenever you read it, the answer that's coming to you is meant for you. And any queries, any questions pop up, you can always put it in the comment. Anything you would like to share, anything, any feedback you would like to give to me, you can always give it in the comment section. And as I've told you guys, I have a YouTube channel, I have a WhatsApp broadcast group, I have a Facebook page, and I have an Insta profile. You guys can follow me there for a lot of healing tips I keep sharing. I share a lot of switch word tips, a lot of backflower tips, codes tips for daily ease with lots of money issues and health issues and stuff like that. So you can always find more ease and joy in every daily things of your life. So let's see what else is possible, what more reading you would like to see, what more you would like to see on this channel. You can also give me suggestions on that. I'm totally open to that. And bye.